Now, in another matter, the Senate has important business to conclude this week. The American people are counting on Congress to reach a government funding agreement. If we fail to reach an agreement, we would be failing to ensure that our all-volunteer armed forces have all the resources they need to protect our country in the face of myriad threats from all around the globe. We would be subjecting programs that American families rely on to draconian sequestration cuts that none of us want to take effect. So, Mr. President, the Senate stands ready to take up an agreement as soon as one originates over in the House. We're ready to work together across the aisle to ensure there is no lapse in funding for critical services. Furthermore, my Republican colleagues in the Senate stand ready and eager to ensure full and long-term funding for the Children's Health Insurance Program. 9 million children receive coverage through CHIP. They and their parents deserve to know that Congress is committed to them. Republicans agree. We support a provision that would fund CHIP not just for a few weeks, but for 5 years. Not just for a few weeks, but for 5 years. Unfortunately, our Democratic colleagues are unwilling to make that commitment to American families. Thus far, they have opposed all of our efforts to include 5 years of CHIP funding in this week's agreement. Whatever partisan politics are leading my colleagues on the other side to this mystifying conclusion, it's time to put them aside and do right by our constituents. So I hope we can all work together to give Americans the peace of mind they deserve, particularly going into the Christmas season.